Best deals.
Bag combines durability with a sophisticated look, ideal for professional environments. Multiple pockets including a mobile pocket, wallet pocket, and pen slots keep your essentials neatly organized. Ideal as a motherhood diaper bag, or even as a laptop messenger bag or office bag. This office bag ensures efficient storage and easy access to your belongings. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Baby diaper bag. With wide opening design, light colored lining allows you to easily find what you need. 2 expanded insulated baby bottle bags, can be to keep warm or warm and cold. The baby diaper bag can hold all the baby's essentials. The diaper backpack can be hung on the stroller. Elegant and beautiful, suitable for any season and various occasions, such as walking, shopping, traveling. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Baby diaper bag. Made of environmental and durable Oxford material, water resistant and easy to wipe clean, strong zippers, you'll have a diaper backpack that lasts for years. You can use this bag as backpack and handbag. It is very elegant and suitable for many occasions like shopping, traveling etc. A fashionable backpack that can be carried by moms and dads alike. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Diaper bag backpack. Made of tear-resistant waterproof Oxford and fabric, this diaper backpack is sturdy but lightweight and splash-proof. High-quality metal zipper is smooth enough for open and close. With firm and strong bottom frame, this baby diaper bag will not deform easily. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Diaper bag. With an ample capacity for daily use, it features 3 insulated pockets, wet and dry compartments, anti-theft pockets, and more. Perfect for carrying milk bottles, water bottles, clothes, diapers, towels, and other baby essentials. This baby diaper bag ensures everything stays ultra organized, making it ideal for use as a baby bag for 0 to 3-year-old babies or an elementary child's travel bag. Polyester fabric. This maternity bag for mother and baby is both durable and eco-friendly. The easy-to-clean surface is odorless, wear-resistant, and dirt-resistant, ensuring it's safe for your baby's sensitive skin. The sturdy zipper secures all your essentials, making this the perfect diaper bag for baby. Ergonomically designed with widened shoulder straps and a padded back panel, this mommy bag for mother offers maximum comfort even when fully loaded. The thoughtful design evenly distributes shoulder gravity to protect a new mother's spine post-childbirth. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Baby diaper bag. The backpack includes a separate area for your tablet or laptop, helping parents to stay connected. 3 insulated bottle compartments, helps maintain the temperature of bottles, ensuring drinks or milk stay warm or cool as needed. Many compartments and areas to keep bottles, diapers, baby clothes, and personal belongings like meals, phones, and toiletries organized. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Backpack. It made of Oxford cloth, water-resistant and tear-resistant. The high-quality metal frame inside ensures the well structure without deformation. Ergonomic back design and thick padded shoulder straps provide you a comfortable carrying feeling. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Diaper bag. It a perfect mother bag for baby travel and baby bags for newborn, layered Oxford fabric for strength and durability. It's the go-to choice for mom as a baby bag for 0 to 3-year baby. 11 well-sized pockets for organizing your baby's belongings. It becomes the ultimate choice for baby diaper bag for mother for traveling. Wide fish mouth opening for easy access to your baby's items, establishing it as the top pick among baby travel bag and baby bags for mothers. On the go, 3 wide 18 cm insulated milk bottle pockets to keep your baby's milk warm for up to 2 hours, hence a perfect maternity bags for mother and baby travel bag. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Diaper backpack. 13 well-sized pockets for storage and organization, roomy main section, insulated milk bottle pockets, separate dry and wet sections, anti-theft back pocket, front and back openings for easy accessibility, keychain clip, D-rings for hands-free usability, adjustable 5 cm wide cushioned back straps. Carefully selected fabric and high-quality hardware after extensive research. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Diaper bag. Made from water-resistant BPA-free leatherette Oxford fabric with a reinforced lining and durable nylon. Features reliable metal zippers and a spacious design for all baby essentials. High-quality diaper bag materials keep baby items dry and safe, designed for daily use in all conditions. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Diaper bag backpack. This strong zipper has been tested in the lifespan for up to 50,000 times, which means you will have a diaper backpack that lasts for many years. This travel baby bag can hold most things you need. It features a bassinet in the front pocket. The diaper bag backpacks are built for both mom and dad with its stylish and unisex design. Adjustable shoulder straps make it fit for all small, medium, plus sizes. Save your budget by sharing the nappy bag with all caretakers. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Diaper bag. Made from water-resistant BPA-free twill Oxford fabric with a reinforced lining and durable nylon. Features reliable metal zippers and a spacious design for all baby essentials. Has 13 pockets, including 3 insulated bottle pockets, anti-theft back pocket, front and back access, keychain clip, D-rings, and 5 cm cushion straps for comfy carrying. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Diaper bag. Multiple pockets, wide top opening and anti-theft zippered back pocket. Separate pockets for wet-dry clothes. Insulated front pockets to keep bottles warm. Mother bag to store all infant baby products smartly with side, back and inside pockets. Can be used as maternity bag, hospital bag for delivery women or just as mommy bags for mother. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Diaper bags. Crafted with durable outer Oxford fabric that is water resistant and an inner polyester lining, this maternity bag keeps belongings dry. The strong zip with a stylish puller and cushion straps make it an ideal baby travel bag. Mother bag for baby travel includes trolley holder straps, stroller hanging straps, and quick access Velcro compartments for easy organization. It's the ultimate bag for baby products carry, offering both functionality and ease. These diaper bags carry all your essentials, making them the perfect choice for any outing. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Backpack. This backpack has one small zipper pocket and one main zipper pocket on the front and 2 open pockets and zipper pockets on the side, one deep zip pocket and one strap on the back for hanging on luggage. Inside there are 3 zipper pockets and 2 small open pockets. Product link is given in the 14th link.